on his head, with heart within and God overhead, and the head Mahaprabhu and Bhagavatam stood single to fight out that they are called Bhakti Siddhanta Saraswati Dham. And that also, not only he wanted to come fighting in Bengal, the province of Mahaprabhu, the Gaudadis, or not only in India but outside. To attack, it meant to attack the highest position of present civilization, the Western world, the scientific civilization, so proud they are with their present achievement, and to break down the whole structure of present false civilization structure, to demolish and to construct a divine temple over the remnants of this mundane world, construct a temple of God. And not only this half-truth, but according to Bhagavad, the fullest in his words, full-fledged theism, not stop in the midway or halfway, or be satisfied with partial progress, but wholesale dealing, and that is given by Bhagavatam. By Vijnana Viraga Yuktam. What is the sloka? Avishyati Krishna Padara Bindayo Kinattavadhyani Chasantanut Sattasya Suddhim Paramatma Bhaktim Sattasya Suddhim Paramatma Bhaktim Vijnana Viraga Yuktam Avishyati Krishna Padara Bindayo Kinattavadhyani Chasantanuti Sattasya Suddhi Paramatma Bhakti Jnanancha Vijnana Viraga Yuktam. The conception of theism, something like this. Avishyati Krishna Padara, continuous existence. Krishna Padara Bindu, under the holy protection of the divine feet of Krishna, continuous, maintain one's continuous engagement, life, all sorts of movements, and thinking, the guide is on my head, the holy divine feet of Krishna, Padara Bindayo, Avishyati Krishna Padara Bindayo, Avishyati Krishna Padara Bindayo, Kinattavadhyani Chasantanoti. By this attitude, we can remove what is foreign in us in no time, very easily. The continued memory or remembrance of Krishna Padma, Krishna connection with, in no time it will disperse all the difficulties on the way. Khinoti abhadrani. What is meanness? What is meanness? What is not dignified? Gauriya Math stands for the dignity of human race. Sridhari to Krishna is the most dignified position we have to understand. And what is against it, that is meanness, abhadrani. The only standard gentle life, a gentle standard gentleman's life is to understand and to accept the position of subordination to the absolute truth. It is not mean life. What is proper, what is real, to admit that and to on that basis to make one's life advanced. That is not meanness. To understand one's proper position and proper duty and to discharge that, that is gentleman's life. That is truth, to accept that. So, Abhishnati Krishna Padaravindaru Khinoti abhadrani. What is considered to be meanness, that is removed very soon. Abhadrani. Chasam tanoti. And what is really welfare, beneficial to us, that will extend, that will increase. Sam tanoti. Sattasya suddhain. You are in some adulterated conception of your own life. Adulterated. Mind, this intelligence, the exploitation energies of different kinds of it is all adulteration. So Sattasya Suddhin, your existence will be eliminated. All sort of adulterated things, adulteration. Sattasya Suddhin. It will be purified and come out in its pristine glory. Your real self from within. Sattasya Suddhin. Paramatma Bhakti, and you will find you have got a happy devotional connection with the super soul, with the super knowledge. Paramatma Bhakti, Jnanancha Vijnana Viraga Suptam, and the knowledge proper, which is paraphernalia, not a hazy, impersonal knowledge, but knowledge proper with his parivar, with his paraphernalia, Vijnan, the systematic existence, Vijnana Viraga Yuktam. Jnanancha Vijnana Viraga Yuktam. Viraga Yuktam. Viraga means what at present your attraction is in this mundane, that will be transferred. Vishishta raga, the raga, the affection proper will be discovered. Now your affection and attraction and love misdirected, but they will find their proper place. The affection, viraga yuktam, they will have is a real place and the position where they have to act. The affection, the attraction, the vishishtata, vaishishta, is a special characteristic you will find. These faculties will find their special support, to which they will be directed, the proper place they will find. This is devotion. Nitai Gaur Hari Bol. 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 Dham Parikrama with the enlightened and of the real personality and his mission of Sri Gauranga Dev, who is he and what he came here to give to us. All these things will be clear and easily accessible to us and acceptable to us. It will promote to our highest goal of life. And it is meant for that. It is meant for that. To get Gauranga nearer to our soul, nearer to us, and to get him nearer to our soul, that is, to get guarantee of our Krishna, our achievement in Krishna Lila, even unconsciously. So, for us, foreign souls, it is more useful to cultivate about and to know about Sri Gauranga, which will be able to give us the fulfillment of life with least trouble and in the fullest form. No, it will not recommend any haphazard or any misconceived Krishna consciousness, but real Krishna consciousness and also without least difficulty we can have full Krishna consciousness by the help of Gaura consciousness. See, Gauranga consciousness, and then also we will be able to feel that Gaura consciousness also includes in Krishna consciousness plus something more. What is that? The distribution of Krishna consciousness. Krishna consciousness and the arrangement of distribution of Krishna consciousness both combined is Gaura consciousness. Gaura consciousness. Kaviraj Goswami Ali. Krishna Lila Amritadhar যার শত শত ধার 10 দিকে বহিয়া হইতে শ্রী চৈতন্য লীলা হয় সরোবর অক্ষয় মনোহংস চরাহ তাহাতে কবিরাজ গোস্বামী the giver of Chaitanya Charitamrita, the most valuable literature, theological, has ever seen the light. Krishna Lila Amrita Sar. What is Krishna Lila? That is the real gist of nectar, sweetness, happiness, expression. Krishna Lila Amrita Sar. The sweetest of the sweet that can ever be conceived, that is represented in Krishna Lila. Sweetness in its acme. And what is Chaitanya Lila? That sweet fluid of Krishna Lila is spring, and the current coming by 100 channels. Gaur Lila is such, the fountain of Krishna Lila, from where towards 10 directions, hundreds of streams of that sweet Krishna Lila in fluid, in the river, it is being spread on all sides. Sweetness of Krishna Lila as a fluid, and from the fountain that is starting towards 10 directions. Krishna Lila Amrita Sar, tar shato dhar 10 dike. Hundreds of such streams of sweet fluid is passing towards 10 directions. That fountain is Gaur Lila. Krishna Lila Amrita Sar, tar shato dhar 10 dike বহে যাহা হইতে সেই চৈতন্য লীলা হয়. To try to understand what is Chaitanya Lila. It is the source. You may take it the source, the foundation. Because the Lila is eternal. Though it is after we see in Kodi, and that was in Dwapara, in previous Krishna Lila, but it is eternal. The giver is there, then the gift is coming to us. 10 দিকে বহে সেই চৈতন্য লীলা হয় সরোবর অক্ষয়. And not a fountain, it is almost a lake. A lake, 10 directions, so many streams of sweet Krishna Lila is being distributed to the world. সরোবর অক্ষয়, সরোবর অক্ষয়. কৃষ্ণ লীলা অমৃত সার, তার শত ধার 10 দিকে বহে যাহা হইতে সেই চৈতন্য লীলা হয় সরোবর অক্ষয়. মনোহংস চরাহত হাতি. Oh, devotees come like so many birds. They will swim in the lake. From what lake? The Krishna Lila in different streams are being going to the water outside. Come and live in that lake. Saruvara Akhay, Monohamsa Jarahotati. The swan of your mind. The swan of your mind. Ask him to take shelter in this Saruvara, the Hamsa. The mind is compared with a swan, and the swan may swim in that nectarine lake of Gaur Lila, from where towards 10 directions so many 100 streams of nectar is going on all 10 directions. Radhe Bhaktagan Sunamar Sadhanavacham. Oh devotees, my humble prayer to you all, Kaviraj Goswami says, Sunamar Sadhanavacham. Mahan Mahantagan, Meghagan, and the devotees, the saints, like clouds, they are taking that nectar from that sarovar, just as the cloud takes the water from the sea, and they go this side, that side, and there they give rain. So many sadhus, they are like clouds. They are extracting this amritam from the lake of Gauranga, and they are going hither and thither, and they are like rain. They are giving to the fortunate souls. More sadhuman to Meghavan kori akarsan chaturdike kori varisham. This is the conception of Kaviraj Goswami. There is something more, but I forget. It is there, you will find very, very charming, heart-touching things, and they giving a clear conception. Govinda Lilamritam. In Sanskrit, the Govinda Lilamritam, that book has been written by Kaviraj Goswami, by the Ashtakaliya Lila. The full 24 hours engagement of the gopis with Krishna has been, how it has been described there. And in Chaitanya Charitamrita in Bengali and Sanskrit. And that is purely Sanskrit. These two books has made him immortal and given very, very high position among this earth. Kasturi Manjari is his name in Krishna Lila. Kaviraj Goswami Prabhu. And his place was that between Katwa and Ekachakra Nitanbustan, at station Bharam. There we have to go 2 miles north from Bharam station. There is Jhamatpur, place of Kaviraj Goswami. Once I went to visit that place, and all through my request was to ISKCON, just try to improve that place, most important according to me. The Mahaprabhu has given Mahaprabhu Prabhupada to us. Prabhupada, our Guru Maharaj told that Sadvangsha, Chaitanya Charitamrita, all his, every part and parcel of it is Aprakita. Composed of the purest material, highest material. No part can be disregarded as less valuable. All of equal value, the whole thing. Sadvangsha Pramani. And in other books, there are something substantial, other things only to help that. So many stories, etc. have been added. Even in Bhagavatam, so many stories which may not be necessary for us, but only to support the original thought, and they are devised. So, but Chaitanya Charitamrita, never a letter to be found which has got not the highest value. Such is impossible. anything to be composed, they are necessary of elements of different type, generally. A different type of elements necessary for the construction of a particular thing. But Chaitanya Charitamrita, the wholesale, a golden temple, or something more. Gold Hari Bol, Gold Hari Bol, Gold Hari. If one can have gone through Chaitanya Charitamrita, he has got anything and everything within his speech. The Bhagavatam, Mahabharatam, anywhere, be it any other, the central truth, he will be able to attain. Nothing in the theological world will be new to him. He will get the clue of adjustment in the theological world. If one can go through Chaitanya Charitamrita in the right way, he will have the key of the theological kingdom in his hand. In a gross or in a subtle way, all conceptions of theistic world has been represented there in their own position. The outlook, the adjustment is such fine and perfect there. We get the Chaitanya Charitamrita. Gold Hari Bol, Gold Hari Bol, Gold Hari Bol, Gold Hari. Nidai Gold Hari Bol, Nidai Gold Hari Bol, Nidai Gold Hari Bol. Jasmin Jati Sarvamidam Vikyatam Bhavati, Jasmin Prapti Sarvamidam Praptam Bhavati, Tadvijika Sasra. This is the conception of the center. Center can represent the whole in it. The seed represents the tree. So if one can have knowledge in dissection of the seed in a subtle form, he may get some knowledge of the tree there. It is possible. So, Jasmin Gati Sadvidam Vidyatam Bhavati, Jasmin Prapti Sadvidam Praptam Bhavati. Apparently it seems to be impossible. If one thing is known, everything is known. The madman's delirium. Apparently it seems like that. One thing is known, everything is known. Then what is the meaning of one? One in many. How one, when one known, everything is known? Nonsense in this, in the apparent understanding. No, but the Upanishad, the revealed truth, its central representation is such that it is possible. By knowing one, we can know many. This is the revolutionary assertion, and we are to face with that in a sincere and earnest way, how it is possible. This is such a great thing, a great truth, cannot be buried underground and we dance that we are civilized, like a madman. When we come to have recognition from within, then we get Shraddha, faith. Faith means to come in and to admit this fact that yes, one is known, many is known, everything is known. This impossibility, if we can accept within our heart, then we are theistic people. We have got Shraddha, we have got faith. We have got faith. Otherwise, our religious tendency is all hypocrisy. Hypocrisy. কৃষ্ণে ভক্তি করিলে সর্বকর্ম শ্রদ্ধা শব্দে বিশ্বাস করি সুদৃঢ় নিশ্চয় কৃষ্ণে ভক্তি করিলে সর্বকর্মকৃত হয়. If you do your duty to Krishna, all duties are done, discharged. If you can have such quality of faith, then you have got Shraddha. You are faithful. Faith is a divine thing. It has awakened in you. So in no time you will thrive. Shraddha. Sakal Chariyar Bhai Shraddha Devi Gungai. Throw away everything which you think to your property and friends. Try to sing the noble characteristic of Shraddha, that is faith. Faith, Shraddha. That can only deliver you the infinite within your finite. The infinite, that is giving you the news, the tidings, that finite can come in infinite. You can get Krishna, you can get infinite, finite. So that is the good news. The Shraddha can only takes to you that prospect, that hope. So disperse everything. Only foster, adore the Shraddha, the faith, and that will be able to give you everything. That will be able to satisfy you fully. All others are partial adventure, and that will take you to guide you to in the blind lane. All are blind lane. Only the royal road is Shraddha in the life of every soul. Gaur Hari Bol, 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 Gaur Hari Bol. Gaur Hari Bol, Gaur Hari Bol, Gaur Hari Bol.
Maharaj?
Yes.
You say that the infinite can come in finite form. What is the form that the
It is not finite, but in the terms of finite you may think like that. But your feeling is satisfied by the infinite. What your awareness in you, to accept, to welcome the infinite, that will all be fulfilled and the more than that. All your earnestness will be fully embraced and compensated, and there you will feel that still there is more and more. You can't finish, but in qualitative aspect you will be fortunate to meet that. The finite cannot finish its taste in infinite, but it is fulfilled with the proper qualitative aspect, the highest possible attainment of the jiva. Agabindu Jagat Juba. One drop is sufficient to inundate the whole creation. That is such, it has been told like that. You would be lost in the sweet ocean. we are swimming in the ocean of nectar. We may swim, we may drink, we may do anything and everything, but sweetness is there. Sweetness to our utmost capacity. That all will be going, no aspiration, more than that. So, whatever is endowed in us, that will have its fulfillment amply, more than that, beyond its capacity. Rather, the capacity will be more increased and they will be satisfied.
How our consciousness can be promoted to the place of Shuddhanam, chanting without the passion.
That is the same thing by the association of the sadhu who has got that, who is living in that plane, and he's emitting that sort of ray outside. And if I be fortunate enough to come to him with, of course, the favorable attitude, then that will I will be able to imbibe that, and then that will help the quality of my, in the process of my taking the name of Sadhu Sangha, and next to Shastra Sangha. That is the favorable atmosphere can only help. Just as the proper weather can help a patient. A patient is suffering from some disease, and the doctor may recommend you go to that weather, and that will improve your health unconsciously. The air, the water, and the sadhu sangha. Sadhu sangha, where the vibration of higher type, real type, to take advantage of that vibration, that will help improve, to remove the filthy character of mind and the name-taking aspect in me to improve his condition internal. Gaur Hari Bol, Gaur Hari Bol, Gaur Hari Bol, Gaur Hari. And that is Sevanmukhi. Sevanmukhi. The road to, the name is Vaikuntha, spiritual, and the road to go to that of service, not of exploitation, not of renunciation, that of dedication. And this dedicating spirit within us can be improved by the association of these sadhus. Sevanmukhi jivharu swayameva sprata. As much as we shall be able to improve our dedicating temperament, we will be nearer to the spiritual substance, spiritual existence, spiritual master, spiritual food, everything spiritual. To dive deep into the spiritual realm, all this to increase our capacity or dedication. And that we can invite from the association of the sadhu and then shastra. Gaur Hari, Gaur Hari, Gaur. Gaur Hari, Gaur Hari, Gaur Hari, Gaur Hari, Gaur Hari, Gaur Hari. Gaur Nidai, Gaur Nidai, Gaur Nidai, Gaur.
In the absence of the spiritual master. How does one keep the association?
The spiritual master is not a limited thing. We must not fix limitation in him. Spiritual master, I find in a figure, or in Vaishnava, but at the same time it has been told that he is God himself. That aspect we should not ignore. It's one who can know who is his well-wisher. If we know it properly, what is well, and who is my well-wisher, if I understand that. So the spiritual master may come through, may approach me by various lights and aspects. Spiritual master. But our Guru Maharaj used to see in a small incident, oh, Bhaktivinoda Thakur came. I could not understand him. In many incidents, he used to look like that. Oh, Bhaktivinoda Thakur came to me, through him, but I could not get him. That is, always in search of his master. The bona fide disciple is always living in the association of his master. And the master also cannot be idle without giving response to the bona fide disciple. So in many ways, in many instances, he may come to help us. It is also possible. So that the Guru, we want to go to Guru to confine in a fisherman high experience age. What I know about Guru, Guru is he, or Guru is a particular servitor of him. But still it is in that Guru is he. I myself is Guru to all. That instructions of Krishna may not be ignored. And also, if the yogis, they can come hither and there to meet their objects, and the Vaishnava also, by the will of God, they can also go here and there in many ways to help. So we must have some expensive, infinite idea about our Guru, not a limited thing. But in different provincial interest, in the different aspect, he may come to help to me. If I am sincere, my guardian's eye is always vigilant over my head. Over my head. He cannot forget me, his child. If I have got real interest in him, he, on the other hand, must have corresponding interest in me. Cannot but be. So, after all, nahi kalyan kaschid durgatin. If you are pure, the nature won't commit any mistake. Environment is not going to commit any mistake or be jealous to your progress. He is watching eye over you always. Mind your own lesson, oil your own machine. And he is there. He is there. The mind is, a true disciple's mind is always giving in relativity of his Gurudev. So we found here and there, in many places, oh, Bhaktivinoda Thakur, I could not do it. Bhaktivinoda Thakur, always a constant connection of Bhaktivinoda Thakur. He lived. One disciple came, Bhagavatananda from Puri. Only a year or two perhaps he lived and he passed away. Prabhupada began to cry. He wrote one article in Gauriya Titiya Varsha, Bhagavatananda. A math was established in his birthplace, Bhagavatananda Math in Midnapur. And Prabhupada, Bhaktivinoda Thakur, I could not understand. Profusely he was shedding tears. As I told several times, that there was one barrister, Mr. Norton, in Calcutta High Court. Our Aurobindo absconded. And he wrote under disguise some article. And not on finding his writings, oh, here is Mr. Ghosh. He went to test, where is Aurobindo? This article, it cannot be, but that was Mr. Ghosh. So, inquire the office of this magazine. Where he has got this article. So there they would find the clue that Mr. Ghosh is living.
So the Bapu and Vani is unlimited in living.
Yes, the Bapu should be eliminated. Vani also may be Bapu on the form of word. It was published in Gauriya, but I had some objection to that. The Vani means a sound Bapu. Bapu means this practical life, they took it. And Vani, that it is said that what I say, you take it, but what I do, don't take it. It is something like that. Bambu and Vani, they meant like that. What he does, don't go to imitate. But what he says, what his advice, they accept that. What is that sloka in Bhagavatam? Ishvaranang vachasvattam tathaiva charitam kvachit tesang jat svavachu juktam buddhimang stat samacharit. Those that are great, their advices are always reliable. Vachasvattam tathaiva acharitam kvachit. But their practices are not always to be accepted. Acharitam kvachit tesang jat svavachu juktam. Which is the practices which is combined, supported by his advice, that should be acceptable to the intelligent section. Because he is Paramhamsa. For a particular reason, he is old. So, suppose in Ekadashi day he takes something. So the another one, oh, when he takes something, then we must take. If we are able to fast completely, why do we do? He is taking. So, he is not feeling well. Just as Mahaprabhu told to Haridas, you are now old, you decrease your sankha. Sankha alpa karo. Haridas Thakur say, I cannot fulfill my Nirdishta sankha. But I fixed that every day I shall take 3 lakh naam, 3 lakhs of names. I can't fulfill. Oh, why 3 lakhs? Now you are old. You minimize your standard. So according to one's own necessity, man of higher position, his practices, daily practices may be a little slackened. But that should not be taken into account by an ordinary disciple. His instructions always take, and the practices, only those are combined with instruction, that he would take. So, what I told, from what point?
Bani Bapu.
Bani Bapu. So Bani means advice. But Bani Tattva, one may say something in the meeting, but he may not be so. Then you will accept his Bani and not Bapu, not practice, but his words, the Upadesh. But there we may find many where in the meeting he will say something, but he is not sticking to that sincerely. Then what to do? Bani is also not acceptable always. Bani Bapu. So Bani is also Bapu. If we want to analyze more finely, then we'll find that Bani also Bapu. Externally Bani is delivered in some way, but internally he may think someone. Generally hypocrites do that. They say something and they do another thing. Not only being, even in sincerity they are lacking. Bani Bapu. It is very difficult to understand the inner man by bombastic expressions and lectures. One cannot be great. The inner personality, to understand it is difficult. The inner man, not the imitation, can be in practice as well as can be in words and expressions, in lectures also. Imitation may be. But the man within, that is different. So we must be very alert on the sweet words to do. Sweet words, the shur, the sweetness of the sound, that is not kirtan. One who can chant Krishna Naam very sweetly, very touching, satisfying the ear. There are so many in this area. They can chant very sweetly the kirtan. But that sur, that sound, sweetness of the sound, that is not Krishna himself. It is something else. This Ramadas Babaji, he used to take name Krishna and tears running from and through the nose also liquid things are coming, and two sides to two men with some piece of cloth, always removing them, and he's shivering like anything. Nitai Gauda, Nitai Radha Gauda, that false thing is madly chanted, and so many many of the audience are charmed how he's taking the name. He's shivering, he's shedding tears, so many things. Lost his senses outside all these things. But nisarga pichchila shanti tadadhyasa pari satta bhasa vinapus kampatsu pulakadaya. What a sound! This Bapu and this Mani. The Mani is coming and the Bapu is shivering. But still, that is dismissed as offenses against the Vaikuntama. Because other conducts and also the false knowledge, false conception of the tattva, ontology. Nitai is Radha. If Nitai is Radha, we have to cancel all Sanatana Goswami and this Narottam Thakur and so many others, Bhaktivinoda Thakur and so many others. And he is dancing and chanting and weeping and showing so many feats.
Maharaj, it seems like a symptom of Kali Yuga that everyone limits, even in other societies besides the Gaudiya Math, everyone limits their guru to Vapu and Vani. Everyone has a limited conception of guru.
The object of worship is not in that. That of object of worship, and no that of guru in the world. A Gunda has also his guru. What is guru? Joja Saddha Sai Vasa, Bhagavad Gita. The worshippers of many gods, they are Saddha. But the very Saddha to be analyzed and seen what type of Saddha. And that type of Guru and that type of Devda is everywhere. Satyaksha Suddhim Paramatma Bhakti. This खाद के की वाले आगे बोलेंगे
की शब्द में
भेजावट ताकि की बोलेंगे adulteration, that is what we are, what are our real necessity. That is to be found. I am not this body, if I am this body, or I am this subtle mind, or I am only the soul, a part of Brahmaloka. So many different stages of thinking. By the elimination. ये सब तुआ जगत विचित्र तुआ पद विस्मृति आमर यंत्रणा क्लेश दहने दही जाय कपिल पतंजलि गौतम कनभोजी जयमिनी बौद्ध आर्य धाय तब कोई निजमते भुक्ति मुक्ति जाचत पातई नानाविध फाम सो सब बहुत मुख तुआ सो सब तुआ भक्ति बहिर्मुख सो सबु वंचक तुआ भक्ति बहिर्मुख घटाए विषम परमाद বৈমুখ বঞ্চনে ভটসু সব নিরমিদ বিবিধ প্রসাদ দণ্ডবত দূরত ভকতি বিনোদ বেল ভকত চনন করি সার। By the help of Guru and our Shraddha, we are eliminate so many tempting offerings will come to us from different directions. It is the truth. It is the truth. In this way, with their own pasara, that is selling pot, they will come, oh, you want this is a very good thing. And many conversers will come and represent their things, doubts. So we have to eliminate through Shraddha. Sukriti and the Shraddha will help us to eliminate all the outer demands of the outer coating of our existence. And the inner soul, he will be able to recognize, this is what I want. And this way the elimination will go. And one who can understand that thing, and what is gold and what is all the glittering things that are not gold, in this way to understand. And that is the beginning, in the very beginning of Gaudiya Math. Tanna, tanna, tanna. This is not, this is not, this is not. Neti, neti. It is not, it is not, it is not, in this way. But in this way, there is infinite possibility. So through Shraddha, Nirgun, Sakal Chariya Bhai Shraddha, there is the faith. Faith in Krishna. Faith in Krishna consciousness, that is elimination mostly of bhakti, mukti, and vidhi bhakti. All sorts of exploiting tendency and all sorts of renunciation tendency, avoiding tendency. And then also this service under restriction, raga bhakti, that is natural, that is sincere, non-artificial. We have appreciation for that. Mahaprabhu came to give that, and Srimad Bhagavatam has recommended that. We have to understand our thing. What is our need? What you say, that may be fallible at every strata. So formal knowledge is no knowledge. That is in Bhagavatam, in Narad Goswami's Upadesh, Gaudari Gaud, Naurivaspadam, Bhata Hato Naurivaspadam, the wind-hunted boat, sometimes driven this side, that side, that side, Bhata Hato no Rivaspadam, uncertain position. Uncertain position. Wherever the wind blows, the boat is running carried by that. Any chance from any direction coming and swallowing me, that is nothing. Asthira Siddhante Rohinu Majiya Hari Bhakti Rohilat. Must have our standpoint fixed. Unmovable standpoint we must have, and that is the real wealth. We shall be able to know what is what. Anyone will come and catching by my ear will drag me to a particular direction. And I am showing so many feats of devotional practices. That's nothing. We must stand on the ground. Have our stand, and we will be able to know what is what.